and then I like to just rub it in my hands and press it on my skin. Smells really good. Just press it on the skin. Massaging technique going on. And then hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it is all about getting your skin to look younger and fresher. What I'm going to be sharing with you is an anti-aging, skin brightening, skin firming, collagen boosting facial serum. This facial serum contains vitamin A. It also contains vitamin C. It is loaded with antioxidants that will have your skin looking younger and fresher with a natural glow. So anyway guys, hold on a minute, let me get it. Now take a look at this guys. Here it is. This is our serum guys, packed with nutrients, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that is going to help to plump the skin up, firm the skin, and give your skin that younger, fresher glow. If you want to know how I made this amazing facial serum guys, don't go away, continue watching the video for the full recipe. Our first ingredient is coffee, and today I'm using freshly brewed coffee. This coffee that I'm using is actually still hot, and this is the way you want it to be. Now I'm using coffee for its wrinkle fighting properties. It will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Not only that, coffee contains caffeine, which will help to boost the collagen production in the skin. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the hot brewed coffee. I'm going to pour this in a bowl. Make sure the bowl you're using could tolerate heat. And next guys, we are going to give this a little stir. Now for this recipe guys, I don't suggest using instant coffee, and I also don't suggest using flavored coffee. So make sure that is just the plain coffee beans or your ground coffee that you normally buy in the store, but not instant coffee. Okay, now let's move on. Now our next ingredient is rose water. You can choose to use rose water or you can choose to use some lavender water in this recipe. Now rose water helps to hydrate the skin. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of the rose water and I'm pouring this in the hot coffee. And now guys, we are going to give this a stir. So we're going to mix this well, totally blending the rose water in our hot coffee. And once this is done, we are going to reach for our next ingredient, which is a skin brightening ingredient. So here I have the turmeric powder, and turmeric will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, blemishes, old scars, new scars. Not only that, it will help to lighten and brighten the skin. I'm using only a dash of the turmeric powder. I'm pouring this in the hot coffee, and now we are gonna blend. Now the reason for using the hot coffee and the turmeric powder is that we're basically just brewing the turmeric, just the way you would brew matcha. This is how we're brewing the turmeric powder in our hot coffee. So totally dissolve the turmeric powder in the hot coffee, and what you're gonna do next, you are gonna set this aside to cool, maybe about for half an hour or so, because you want this to be totally cooled. Now once this is cooled guys, you're gonna reach back for it, and we're reaching for our next ingredient, which is our final ingredient, and this is aloe vera gel. For this recipe, I suggest you use the store-bought. However, if you do not have the store-bought, it's okay to go ahead and use the fresh aloe vera gel. For the aloe vera gel, I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and I'm adding this to my turmeric and coffee mixture. Once this is done, we are going to mix all the 3 ingredients together, and we're going to mix well. So keep mixing, and this is going to take a while. So you want to totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in the coffee, so mix and mix well. I do not suggest that you add this to the blender. You just want to use a fork or a spoon and just keep blending until the aloe vera is completely dissolved in the coffee mixture. Now what you're going to do next, guys, you are going to store this in an airtight container, preferably a small jar. You can even use a spray bottle with a pump. So now let me reach for my jar and I'm going to pour this in. So now here it is, guys, and a little goes a long way. You really do not need to use a lot of this. So what I like to do, I like to just put a little in my hand, round about that, not a lot. And then I like to just rub it in my hands and press it on my skin. Smells really, really good. Just press it on the skin. So a little massaging technique going on. And that is it, guys. Once I apply it on my skin, I like to let it hair dry on the skin. You can choose to fan it a little. If you're using this at night, guys, you can go ahead and you can add a little bit of a moisturizer above this, or you can choose to mix it in your nighttime moisturizer. Upon arising in the morning, just rinse off and reveal beautiful skin. Now this can be used every night, guys. You do not need to skip a night. You can use it as long as you want. It's gonna get the job done however you have to use it. Okay, thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and guys, leave your comments. They are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching and you're not yet subscribed, look below. You're gonna see the word subscribe. Just click on it. That's all it takes and you're subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.